아니요. 음식 해야 돼요. 음식 하면 우리 여자
The better as you see. You can see on the spot.
세계적인 셰프인 야닉 알레노 셰프님을 모시고 오늘 인터뷰를 하게 됐습니다. 야닉 알레노 셰프님 같은 경우에는 소스의 황태자라고 알려질 정도로 굉장히 이제 소스에 대한 테크닉 이런 것들에 대해서 깊이 알고 있는 셰프님이신데요. 기존 소스를 만드는 방법과는 조금 다른 점이 있습니다. 한국의 랜드마크라고 할 수 있는 시그니엘에 와서 이제 자신이 가진 요리 경험이나 또 요리 철학, 그래서 운영하고 있는 시그니엘 스테이에 대해서 좀 얘기를 들어보도록 하겠습니다. 일단 먼저 간략한 자기소개 부탁드리겠습니다.
I am Yannick Aleno. As you can see, I'm chef from Paris, yes. I built the company, the worldwide company in 2008, and we tried to develop a certain way of making new French food. We are here in the Lotte Signal Tower, and for me it's a real privilege to work in Seoul in those conditions.
Are there any Korean foods that you like to enjoy? Or are there
Yeah.
favorite dish in Korea?
I like kimchi.
김치를 좋아하신다는데 besides kimchi, do you have any other?
I like kimchi. No, I like all the fermented vegetables. In fact, you have a fantastic beef also that I like to use. No, you have of course seashells and fish. Fantastic. So no, you are lucky. You are lucky to have a lot of things. And
스테이 서울은 어떤 레스토랑인지 설명 부탁드립니다. 또 서울 지점에서만 느낄 수 있는 미식 경험은 무엇일까요?
it's a restaurant with a view. This is a restaurant for celebration. This is a restaurant for romanticism. This is a restaurant to have good French food and to have a comfortable place with a fantastic view. If you have to come with someone you like, who you love, it's the place to be.
한국의 식문화 또는 재료 중에서 인상 깊게 느낀 게 뭐가 있는지.
Abalone. For me, the perfect understanding of the Korean evolution food is at the restaurant we have nearby Bisena. We have a Bisena here, so you have two nice experiences in the hotel. And Bisena for me is the way modern chefs of Korea treat the real Korean food, and that is very impressive. You know, for example, they have a abalone with rice inside. It's really fantastic. As a foreigner, you know, I like to discover that kind of food. So it's very hard to say that I prefer that or that or that. But the full experience of, for example, Bisena, is something very interesting for to learn things about.
이를 접목한 스테이의 메뉴가 있다면 좀 궁금한데요.
Today the tendency is going to the veggie. So I think also we have to look on the vegetable proposal. For example, we have a fantastic spinach salad with truffles on the slide. You know, that's maybe the people want to have with local product the taste of French. You know, that's interesting too.
사실 셰프님 같은 경우는 소스에 대한 중요성을 엄청 많이 말씀하셨던 셰프님 중에 한 분이셨습니다. 또 소스는 음식의 언어라는 말씀도 하셨던 그런 셰프인데요. In French cuisine, sauces are often referred to as a language of flavor. What does this expression mean to you? And can you tell me about the characteristics of 5 mother sauces: bechamel, velouté, espagnol, hollandaise, and tomato?
How many times we have? 1 hour?
Yeah.
Sauces for me is the verb of the French cuisine. Without sauces, there is no salvation. There is no cuisine. This is, you have to understand, for example, the food could be that, or could be that and that, you know, with many, many elements. To bring the complexity in the place with coherence, the sauce is really the unique key you have to work with and to make the things happen. So the sauce is very important. So for me, I grow with the sauces knowledge. You know, all my chefs learn me about sauces. So the bechamel sauce. You have to understand that the word sauce comes from the antiquity. The France really grow by the sauces. So the reputation of French food is just based on sauces. And again, the book of Escoffier talk about 71 pages of sauces. If you know how to realize those 71 pages of sauces, you know how to create French food. You know, this is the key. But everything is sauces. An ice cream is a sauces. A sorbet is a sauces. Everything is sauces.
저는 개인적으로 소스에 대해서 음식에 있으면 약간 조그마한 양이 들어가지만 그 음식의 인상을 바꾼다고 생각하거든요.
I will not go in details because it will be too long, but you have to understand that the basis, for example, you have a bechamel. It's a base. This is a stock of white stock of veal, blending with it's called the roux.
Can you give me the spelling?
루라고
루. 네네네네.
And you put cream inside. This is the base of bechamel sauce. So the sauce can fix the kitchen, fix the food, have the opportunity to fix the taste of an overseas countries. That's the thing is very interesting. You know, the sauces make the coherence of the food. I'm working with Institut Life in Lyon. There is Korean student coming here, a lot of, and they have a class sauce. They have class of sauces. They have to learn sauces. It's very important for a young chef, for a young boy, to learn about sauces is very, very, very important. Cook a steak is okay, you know what I mean? But if you put on that a fantastic sauce, change your life. The béarnaise sauce is fantastic. You have the béarnaise, it's a reduction of vinegar, shallots, pepper, sabayon, eggs, repeat, and butter, okay?
셰프님이 처음 만든 소스가 무엇인지 궁금합니다.
It was an hollandaise sauce. Hollandaise.
언론
You have to repeat the egg. Very long time. Huh? 따가락. It's very.
만들기가 엄청 힘들거든요.
네.
재료는 간단한데 손을 몇십 분 동안 계속
네.
넣어야 돼가지고
스테이 서울의 소스나 기술, 프랑스에서 차별화된 거나 아니면 공통점이 있다면 거기에 대해서 좀 말씀해 주시면 감사하겠습니다.
It's a classic restaurant, right? Today we are doing a very nice French food, and sometimes we use modern techniques, but generally speaking, it's a classic restaurant. But after that, for the 3 stars I do in Paris, all the sauces are made on another base. Means I call that extraction.
Extraction, yes.
Extraction is easy to understand. This is cooked an element for the perfect time at the perfect temperature. For example, celeriac.
샐러리약. 네네. 샐러리약. 예.
I will cook it for 83 degrees for 12 hours in water. So I have water with the perfect taste of celeriac. We know that if you pass by the temperature of 83 degrees, you have a huge damage.
큰
네.
파괴가 많아지니까 83 디그리가 넘어가면
네.
그래서 83 디그리로 이제 조리를 하고 그 소스를 뽑을 때
Vitamins, oligo elements, minerality. Okay. The thing is important to know: a sauce is a concentration. When you have a normal antique sauce, you put that on the fire and you let the water getting up. The flavor become stronger because you reduce the stock. I don't use the fire; I use the frozen way.
보통
네.
소스를 뽑고 이 맛을 진하게 내기 위해서는 저희가
끓이죠.
좀
네.
끓여서 졸여가지고 이제 그렇게 하잖아요. 반대 방법으로 얼린 다음에 그걸 다시 녹여요. 콜라 남고 그 이온 음료 얼려가지고
네.
가면 녹이면
아,
안에
여기
얼음만 남고 진짜 농축액이 먼저 그 나오잖아요.
네, 과학자 느낌도 비슷하게 드는데 혹시 과학을 좋아하시나요?
I had a vision, and I asked a scientific to work with me to understand. You know, I'm not a scientist, but I need scientists to be sure that I am on the right way. It's very important.
제가 기억하는 걸로는 셰프님께서 이제 시인이기도 하셨던 건데 You said chefs should cook like poets.
Yes.
And could you elaborate on that, please?
Make your brain free. Let's try to seduce people. Let's try to buy the food. Express yourself, because food is the expression of what you are.
훌륭한 요리는 뭐라고 생각하십니까?
Love.
Love.
If you love your job, if you respect your team, if you respect your product, of course the food will be better. It's a matter of love.
So the French is known for the country of love, so that's why.
That's why we eat well.
새로운 메뉴를 개발할 때 어떤 과정을 거치시는지?
I always start by the product. If a fish grow here, maybe it can have the same name than in Brittany, but the biotope and the ecosystem is different. So of course the product will be different, right? Same name, different taste. You can't have the same recipes to French food made in Paris or made here. You know, you have to feel, you have to be humble about that fact and let your imagination go with what you have in mind, what you have in taste, in fact.
프랑스에도 뭐 도미가 있고 우리나라에도 도미가 있지만 맛이나 식감, 육감함량 이런 게 다 완전히 틀리기 때문에 먹으면 이제 똑같은 요리를 하더라도 이 생선에 맞게 레시피도 당연히 변형이 돼야 되고 생물 상태에서 먹고 자기가 이제 떠오른다고.
Recently, are there any food ingredients that gave you inspiration?
This morning I taste some sea ocean.
아, sea urchin, 그 성게.
That's what I said.
네.
I really feel the time to have some juniper taste.
How was it different from France and Seoul?
The taste. The product grow in another region, another water, and another, I don't know what, temperature. The food of the sea ocean is not the same than in France for sure. The meat of the sea ocean is different. It's different in Japan, it's different everywhere. It's crazy.
와인 포도나무처럼 같은 품종을 심어도 진짜 연이하드 밖에 이렇게 옆에 있는 거랑 완전 맛이 다르잖아요. 그 환경에 따라서 아무리 똑같은 시제로더라도 맛이 다 틀리기 때문에 그거에 맞는 조리법을 쓰고.
If you have to describe your life in one dish, impossible. How do you want to be remembered as a chef?
I create some new sauces. I did little things in the history of sauces, so I think I will be known by my way and my vision of sauces.
아니요. 음식 해야 돼요. 음식 하면 우리 영상
And I will, so then as you see, you can see so first I will start just with a smoked flavor.
잘 구운 소스 맛이 나면서 뒤에 이제 본 메로 들어가서 스칼럽 이런 향들이 푹 올라오거든요. 정말 잘 구운 맛있는 토스트를 먹는 듯한 느낌도 들어요. 가리비에 이제 육수가 들어갔기 때문에 복합미가 훨씬 더 있고요. 아까 셰프님이 레몬 제스트 같은 걸 위에 갈아주셨잖아요. 바디감들이 강한 거다 보니 레몬 제스트가 살짝 눌러주는 그런 느낌이에요. 가리비도 너무 쫀쫀하고 그 위에 올라가는 캐비어도 풍미가 강하기 때문에 하나를 다 같이 떠서 먹어보면 와 진짜 감칠맛의 폭포다 라는 식으로 이제 표현할 수 있을 것 같습니다. 아까 말씀하셨던 야닉 알레노 셰프님의 맛의 확장성에 대해서 좀 더 다가오는 그런 느낌이에요. How would you like to be remembered and what's your future goals?
I am lucky, you know, I am a boy from nowhere. I am lucky because that job brought me everything. And I think the future will be in the culture.
Future will be the culture?
Yeah.
모두가 책임감을 가져야 된다고 말씀하셨잖아요. 그 책임감이 어떤 건지. 네.
그 책임감 같은 경우는 이 와인이 만들어지기 전까지는 예를 들면 그냥
네.
와인이 있는 건데 엄청나게 많은 시간이 들고 뭐 자연이 주는 선물이기 때문에 이거에 대한 책임감을 가지고 만들어야 된다라고.
마지막으로 우리 독자들 그리고 나서 시그널 스테이를 방문해주는 사람들을 위해 한마디 하신다고 합니다.
Welcome in the paradise.
Welcome to the paradise. Thank you so much, chef. Pleasure.
He's a grand chef.
J.U.
J.
드디어 세 번째 만남 야닉 알레노 셰프님과 이제 인터뷰를 마치게 됐고요. 와, 그 익스트랙션이라고 하는 기법, 저온 진공 처리해가지고 햄을 요번에는 보여주셨는데 햄의 엑기스를 쪽 뽑아내는 과정은 굉장히 흥미로웠고 맛보지 못했던 그런 풍미를 담고 있었던 것 같습니다. 오늘도 되게 굉장히 좋은 경험을 했다고 생각하고요. 정말 존경하던 셰프님을 만나서 이런 얘기를 들어보고 또 그분의 철학을 또 들어보는 거는 정말 우리만이 갖는 약간 특권이라고 생각합니다. 시그니엘 스테이도 너무 아름답고 뷰도 괜찮아가지고 나중에 개인적으로 다시 한번 들려가지고 음식도 맛보고 싶네요. 또 우리도 이제 집으로 가야 되니까 빨리 퇴근할까요? 카이트 합시다.